The standing rib roast is an expensive kind of meat. You don't want to ruin that delicious investment when cooking it. So I'm going to walk you through these simple, easy steps on how to make it perfect every time. Pat your standing rib roast dry and leave uncovered in the fridge for 3 or more hours. The longer, the better. Then you're going to generously coat it with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then you're going to place your standing rib roast in a large roasting pan, fat side up. Set it out for 2 to 3 hours to bring to room temperature. Bringing it to room temperature allows it to cook evenly. Another important tip is to have your butcher cut the bones off and tie them back to the roast. This will keep the flavor of the bones when you're cooking it, but make it much easier to carve. Insert an oven meat thermometer probe in the center of your thickest part of the roast. This is really important for cooking it perfectly. You cannot skip this part. Then place your standing rib roast in the oven and roast at 450 degrees for 20 minutes. Then you're going to reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees and continue to cook until the meat thermometer reaches 115 degrees for rare, 120 degrees for medium rare, or 130 degrees for medium. Then remove from the oven and let your meat rest for 20 minutes. The meat will continue to cook after taking it out, and the internal temperature will rise 5 to 10 degrees. Slice those bones. They have lots of good meat around them, lots of flavor. Don't waste those. Then you can carve your meat. The end pieces are going to be more cooked than the center. If there are people in your party that prefer a more cooked cut of meat, serve them the end pieces. For a full recipe and additional cooking tips, visit aforkstale.com.